Welcome to Bermuda Medical Specialties Group. I'm Dr. Arlene Basden, Medical Director, and with me is Ms. Laura Law, Nurse and Clinical Operations Manager. At Bermuda Medical Specialties Group, we offer the following specialties: internal medicine, cardiology, rheumatology, pulmonology, dermatology, endocrinology, and neurology. The services that we'll be offering include asthma and allergy, diabetes care, before and after surgery care, diagnostics, infusion therapy, and weight management. You arrive into a reception area. You feel a sense of calmness, serenity, and safety. You then enter into our waiting room. Our entire space is wheelchair accessible.
Next, you'll be seen in the assessment area, where there'll be a brief assessment done by a medical professional. And then next, you'll be taken to either the infusion clinic or an examination room with a care provider.
Inside the examination room, you'll be met with your clinician to start the beginning of your clinical journey.
In the infusion clinic, we'll be offering a multitude of different infusion therapies. It's a nice relaxing setting for patients to kick back, relax. There's Wi-Fi usage, and it's monitored safely by nursing at all times.
In the infusion clinic, we have 2 TV screens displaying patient education and information. At Bermuda Medical Specialties Group, we have 9 spacious exam rooms. Each room has an exam table or bed, an examination light, and a diagnostic set on the wall. There's also an area for the doctor or the clinician to record their findings. Each room has a curtain to offer privacy to the patient.
At the nurse's desk, there will be an opportunity for the physician and the nurse to coordinate the patient's care. The physician will provide the nurse with instruction, and the nurse will process that and then provide the information to the patient that's needed, and with follow-up care.
In our diagnostic area, we have rooms for special testing. Why is this important? It is important because so we can diagnose disease early to prevent you from having a heart attack, stroke, or an amputation. In the ultrasound room, we view your internal organ to identify disease or abnormal growth, which can lead to cancer. In the vascular room, we assess for circulation disorders or blockages that may lead to amputation. In the cardiac room, we assess the function of your heart. In respiratory room, we assess your breathing and your lung function. We have 3 rooms dedicated for overnight sleep studies. In addition, we also have testing for your brain, muscle, and nerve.
In the next room, we offer a very specialized care where there's an overhead light and a special patient table where the patient can lay on it and be angled in different ways to allow the care provider to do certain procedures on them. It can go out, up, it's motorized, and there's also a TV on the wall that allows the physician to do some patient education at the same time. There will be procedures performed while the patient's still awake, of course, but under local anesthetic, where a portion of the skin or area of the body is being numbed so the patient can't feel it. Such procedures like cosmetic dermatology, there'll be removal of skin growths. We'll be also offering some podiatry services within that room, and biopsying, just to name a few. In the infusion clinic, we'll be having 4 chairs for patients to sit on, infusion chairs that allow the patient to lay back and relax. There'll be curtains between each chair that allows for patient privacy. Within that room, we'll be offering different IV therapies like hydration therapy or IV antibiotics.
Our specially designed conference room is for patient and family meetings. It is also where our clinical team will be able to discuss complex patient cases. In the event of serious cases, we will also use telemedicine, which is real-time consultations with the overseas specialist doctors and hospitals, where the doctor there can communicate with the doctor and patient here in Bermuda for complex issues. In addition, we will also use our conference room for education.